Morning guys, welcome back to our channel. Just wanted to share with you this video of what happened the other day featuring these two guys, Woody and Ruby, our African grey parrots. As many of you might know, the ones who have been following us for a while, you know, both of them had their first birthdays just a few weeks ago. And you also have learnt that they're starting to talk a lot more, whistle a lot more, as you can hear in the background. But Woody, which is this guy right here, has learnt some naughty words. Well, one naughty word. And he's been saying it for a few weeks now, but I've not been lucky enough to capture any of it on camera until now. So this is what happened the other day. I was just filming it on my phone. I was in the middle of recording the vlog. I think it was Abby's birthday, which is going to be coming up in the next couple of days, so keep an eye out for that one. But I was in the middle of vlogging, and as you'll see in just a second, this is what happened. But warning, this video contains strong language from him. Come on then, Alfie, let's let you out. So I'm letting Alfie out. Beg your pardon. Should you just say what I think you said? So yeah, you heard it right. Woody dropped the F-bomb. You monkey. So after that I decided I was going to try and tell him off for doing it. And well, this is what happened. And again, warning. Contains strong language, once again from him. Woody, stop swearing. No, it's not Siri, it's you.
What?
It's you. Stop swearing.
What?
Stop swearing.
No.
Yes, stop. Good boy.
Hello.
Hello.
Good boy.
Yes, good boy. See ya. Oi! Stop swearing.
No. Hello.
Yes, stop.
What?
Stop swearing. Good boy. You gonna stop swearing?
What?
Are you going to stop swearing?
What?
Oi!
Good boy.
No, bad boy.
Hello.
Yeah, good boy. Hello. That's better. Oi! No, stop swearing.
What?
Stop swearing. Be a good boy.
Good boy.
That's better.
What?
Oi! No!
Abby, come on.
No, not Abby, come on.
Abby.
It's Woody, stop swearing.
What?
Oi! Stop swearing!
What?
Oi! Stop it!
Abby, come on.
Stop swearing. It's bad. It's naughty.
Stop.
Well, Woody, stop.
Abby.
Abby's not listening to you.
What?
Abby's not listening to you. She doesn't listen to birds that swear.
Hello.
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 Hello to you as well.
What?
Oi!
Abby.
It wasn't Abby, it was you.
What?
It was you.
Hello.
Naughty. there you go. I'm trying to figure out at what point in my life did it become normal to be arguing with an African parrot, you know, on a daily basis. But this is what's happened. They're what, just over a year. They're not even really supposed to be. They sort of start learning to talk properly between 1 and 2 years old. Yeah, just turned 1, and this is abuse I'm getting already. So yeah, I had to share it with you. Both Woody and Ruby, so what they do. Ruby's not learned to swear yet, thankfully, but with how it's going on, I won't be surprised if she does very soon. I do think it's also important to point out that we actually don't even swear that much either. So this actually originated from when they went to go and stay with some boarders. When they was at the border, there was another 2 African grey parrots there, and they're quite well known for swearing quite a lot. So that's where they originally picked it up, and then we may have said it a couple of times around the parrots, probably me, not Emma, and that's where Woody has sort of you know, latched onto it and wants to say it all the time now. So looks like I'm going to have to be careful what I say from now on, especially around them two. But yeah, thank you for watching a nice and short video for you. I hope you enjoyed it. No doubt there'll be a lot more funny videos to share with these 2 guys as they start learning more words and phrases as time goes on. We'll certainly be sharing them in vlogs or on random little videos like this. Keep an eye out for the next couple of days. We should be uploading the video from Abby's birthday, her 2nd birthday. That's coming up soon, so although I don't know exactly when, so hit that bell button. Best thing to do is get notified, because we never upload on a regular basis. We should, but we never do. Life takes over. So yeah, keep an eye out for that one. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.